Hey, what's going on, everyone? Let's take a look at Sklz, SKLZ. This stock has really been beaten up, but we have to take a look at the bigger picture. We got to take a look at the broader markets. So we all know that in 2020, early 2021, we had fantastic runs on all of these small cap stocks. Everything was running. The market was kind of saving you on bad entries. You could pretty much buy something today. Yeah, maybe we have a pullback tomorrow, and then the market just screams higher for 2 to 3 days after that. You're able to make some money. Market sentiment has definitely changed. We do have a lot of stocks that are pulling in. We got the S&P 500, we got the triple Qs, the NASDAQ, the big mega cap stocks all starting to pull in. The only stocks right now that are really gaining some steam are the old school value plays, your Boeings of the world, your McDonald's, your Walmarts, your JP Morgan's. The financials are doing pretty good right now, especially with the 3 to 4 interest rate hikes coming up in 2022. But with that being said, let's talk about Sklz. We got to zoom out. Let's look at the weekly time frame here. If we just kind of look at this chart here, we can see since its birth here, we kind of came to the market here, trading at around $9, and then we broke into this channel, had this big run up here in early 2021 in January, into the 1st of February here, where we hit highs of $46.30. Phenomenal run. I did take part in trades down here. I took part in trades down here. I caught a little bit of this move, and I was actually thinking about loading more here to see all-time highs, and then we started to roll over. Never did I expect to roll over and come all the way down to $5.82. Undervalued, maybe. Are they profitable yet as a company? No. When will they be profitable? I'm not sure. We're really not here to look at the fundamentals, because as much as people want to talk about earnings, as much as people want to talk about what the company's projected sales are going to be, or what the numbers are going to be, or what the subscriptions are going to be, you can throw that all out of the water. Look at what mega cap has done. Look at the runs that Tesla has had. Look at the runs that Nvidia has had. And yes, these are all multi-billion-dollar companies with a lot of cash flow on their books. But it's like this when it comes to trading, and I mean someone who's looking to, even if you're a swing trader, short term, anybody who's buying, there's going to be money flowing in there. So they're going to have traders, you're going to have institutions, you're going to have people loading up for the short term, you're going to have people putting on swings. Did Sklz support a valuation of $46.30 back here in February? I mean, come on. I mean, if we really think about it, the company deserved to be trading at $46.30. Probably not, based on the fundamentals. But when there's people buying and there's momentum behind these stocks, what's the problem with buying these stocks and trading them and making yourself some cash flow? However, we have to be smart when these things do start to pull back. And if we look at the broader markets, like if we look at the IWM, which is the small caps, and we kind of zoom out here from a weekly time frame, and we go all the way back here to 2021, the IWM and the small caps have been in a trading range for over a year. Now, we did get one breakout, which was a complete false breakout. This breakout out of this year-long consolidation back in November should have been the run to the next leg higher for the small caps into 257. If we were able to successfully backtest this, turn this old previous resistance into a support, and then to bounce higher, I think that the small caps would not be sitting in the predicament that they're at right now. So if we really start to look at what's going on here with the small caps, we did come down here, lose the 50 EMA on the weekly. We lost the 50-day moving average on the weekly. We kind of came down to this lower Bollinger Band here, had this big, kind of reversal candlestick here 2 weeks ago, kind of treaded sideways. And then just when it looks like the IWM is ready to break out and start testing these highs of the upper range here at around 235, it gets sold off again. This chart is nasty. It's nasty on the small caps. I mean, I don't know if this year the small caps are going to rally. 2-3 months down the road, I could be making videos and talking to you guys, and everything is just ripping from the small cap perspective. But from the short term look on the small caps, it doesn't look good. If the IWM starts confirming last week's lows of 215.76, it's got more room to the downside to 208.72, which is going to take out this wick here 1, 2, 3, 4 times it acted as a level of support. And really, if the IWM and the small caps lose 208, it's got a lot of room down here to 200 and a lot of room down to 193. So what kind of selling pressure could that put on something like Sklz that's already so down significantly? $5.85, if this level is lost, can come all the way back down here. I mean, to $4, $3, $2, you know, or it can just continue to kind of just hang around here. It can continue to just kind of hang around here. Maybe come back up to 10, come back down to 9, come back up to 10, come back down to 7, come back up to 10, 11. Oh, looks like we're breaking out here. Everyone starts to get happy. Come back up into 13, come back down to 10. And it can continue to do this for as long as the IWM stays in this downward, pattern, in this downward channel at the bottom of the range. You know, the IWM is really going to need to break out of that consolidation we had in 2021 to the upside to really start a new leg up higher on all these stocks. So if you're someone who's looking to like maybe add to your position, sure, is $5 a good price for the stock? I mean, sure, why not? If we do go back up to 10, 12, 13, 14, who's going to be better than you? However, if we do lose $5.85, all bets need to be off, and we need to exit this trade just due to the fact that this thing can come crashing down a little bit lower. Before I really want to get bullish on Sklz, I do want to see it break over the weekly time frame on the 5-day moving average. That price is going to be around $6.08, and I want to get at least a weekly close over $6. I think that if we can close over $6, we have room back up to 9. So that's going to be your next little trading range there. I know it doesn't sound too exciting. It doesn't sound like 10, doesn't sound like 14, like 15. Could this stock come all the way back up here to 14? Of course it can. We really can't get too bullish on it until we do start closing over this $14, $15 area, and until we get over the 50-day moving average on the weekly time frame, and that price is currently sitting at $16.34. So you can see here it has a lot of work to do. If we look at the daily chart, if we do lose 585, our initial support is going to be down here around 472. I would kind of wait for 475. That would be a potential loading zone for me down here at 475. If you can snag Sklz at 475, 485, definitely a buy for me. And then you can kind of just use 468 as your absolute stop, because then that would put you into another channel down. But just understand, it is going to be a little bit choppy. It is going to be a little bit of a bumpy road until the IWM and the small caps kind of get out of their own way. I hope that helps. If you guys want more information, you want more help, you want one-on-one coaching, definitely join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Sklz. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all on the next video.